What's up EvoWorld players? Rocket, today I've got something huge for you, brand new bonus codes and a chance to grab free gems, so stick around till the end.
Musical note, exciting background music. Hand waving, yo guys. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm showing you how to get free gems in EvoWorld.io. No hacks, no cheats, just real working methods you can use right now. Before we start, I'm doing a special giveaway for my subscribers. Gift: if you want a chance to win free gems, all you have to do is Keycap 1, subscribe to the channel. Keycap 2, like this video. Keycap 3, comment your EvoWorld username down below. I'll be picking winners in my next video, so don't miss it. Okay, so here are the best legit ways to get gems. Gem daily rewards. Log in every day and collect your bonus. The more consistent you are, the more gems you stack up. Gem quests and missions. Complete in-game challenges. Some missions give you gem rewards. Gem events. Keep an eye out for EvoWorld special events. These often have gem prizes. Gem codes. Sometimes EvoWorld drops secret promo codes that give you gems or skins. I'll be sharing codes whenever I find them, so make sure you're subscribed. Pro tip: save your gems for skins and upgrades, don't waste them too fast. The coolest skins can really make you stand out in the game. Hands clapping. So that's how you can get free gems in EvoWorld.io. Remember, join the giveaway for extra gems. Just subscribe, like, and drop your username in the comments. Okay, now I will end the video. I'll be announcing the winners soon. Bye. So stay tuned. Don't forget to share this video with your friends so they can get gems too. Musical note: outro music plus subscribe animation.